So hi friends, welcome back. So we are meeting after a long time. Long time means I'm here after a gap of 5 days, and since we have been discussing on Google Sheets, so in the similar context, I'm going to discuss a new function in Google Sheets. Uh, so in last couple of days, we discussed a formula, how to apply a formula in in the sheets. So to apply the formula, we should have the idea of the array. Means if you want to apply the formula in the range, you will have to include the range. So rather than discussing verbally, so we should move to our Google Sheet. Here we'll discuss. So we are on our Google Sheet. So this is the Google Sheet, and I want to apply the formula of summing up the values of different columns. Similarly, likewise, as we did earlier, so I'm going to apply equal sign, and since this is the array b3 c3 d3, this is the array, so I am going to sum up the values of this array. So this time I'm not going to use the sum function or some library function or predefined function. I'm simply going to sum up the values using uh, the formula like b3 plus c3 d3. So for that I'll apply like b3 plus c3 and d3. So here this is the formula. So if I press the enter key, so I'll get 0 here, correct? And if I want to copy this formula in uh, in different cells, I mean all the way from E3 to E9, so I'll have to bring the mouse pointer here so that when it turns to plus, I'll drag down to E9. So this way my sum is done. So this is another way or simplest way. But what if the sheet is quite big? Then what will happen? So I'm going to delete this. Since this is the array, I want to sum up this range plus this range plus this range. Means I'll have to accumulate the range. So I'm taking the range B3 to B9. So this is the first array, and this is the second array, and here this is the third array. So I want to sum up all these three arrays and want to store the sum in E array. So when I press the enter key, I get 0 only. So only the first array is summed up. So what about this? So what about this? B3 to B9 is one array, C3 to C9 is second array, and D3 to D9 is third array. So I have applied sum for all these ranges. So what happened? Nothing will happen. So what should I do? I will apply a new function, that is array formula. This array formula will include the arrays, will include the range or ranges, correct? So I am going to apply array formula here. So how to apply the formula? For that I'll go to B3 to B9, and rather than writing array formula, I'll simply press shift control and enter like this, and you will be mesmerized. As I press enter key on this formula, it will calculate the sum of all the cells from BC to D, from B3 to D3, B3 to B9, C3 to C9, and D3 to D9 without copying and pasting. So just have a look on this. As I press enter, see here, see here, the formula is here, and the arrays are here. So how beneficial this formula is? Array formula can be applied to any function where arrays are taken or arrays are included. So this way we can apply the array formula for different arrays. So hope you like it and hope you understood the concept of array formula and the arrays. So other formula will also will be also applying using the array formula in our next video. So if you understand the concept of the array formula, and if you have any query regarding array formula, kindly write in the description box, so that when as and when I see your the query, I'll try to resolve it. And so we'll meet in the next video. If you're not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it, so that, and press the bell icon, so that you'll get the notification of new video as and when it is created. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.